Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2019 Porsche Cayman GTS. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Okay, everything looks fine. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. There are no paint chips, no scratches on the front. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. Everything on the door looks fine, no dents, no scratches. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's take a look at the back of the car. The back bumper looks fine, the trunk looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches here at all. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, no dents, no scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger door. Everything here looks good. And now the last fender and wheel. Everything here looks perfect. No scratches on the fender, and the wheel looks excellent. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now let's take a look inside. Starting with the driver's seat. Okay, the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the passenger side. Alright, the passenger side is good. Now let's have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the center console. Excellent. Everything looks fine. No wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. Now the front trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.